Hello, and welcome back to the English Listening Lab. I am your host, Johan. I am very happy that you are here today. Today we have a very special story for you. It is a story about learning and success. It is a story that will help you understand how to learn English easily. Before we start the story, I have a small favor to ask. Please subscribe to this channel right now. When you subscribe, you help us make more free lessons for you. You will not miss any new episodes. Click the red button and turn on the bell. Thank you for subscribing. Now let us begin our story about a woman named Maria and her special method. Maria was a very busy woman who lived in a big and noisy city. She worked in a large office from Monday to Friday. Her job was very difficult, and she worked for many hours every day. Maria wanted to learn English very much. She knew that English was important for her future. She wanted to travel to other countries. She wanted to speak with people from all over the world. But Maria had a big problem. She did not have enough time. She came home late every night. She was always tired. She thought that she could not learn English because she was too busy. She felt sad about this. She thought she needed hours and hours every day to study. One day, Maria read an interesting article on the internet. The article was about small habits. It said that you do not need to study for 5 hours. It said that consistency is the most important thing. Consistency means doing something every single day. The article suggested studying for only 30 minutes a day. Maria thought about this idea. 30 minutes was not a long time. She watched television for 30 minutes. She looked at her phone for 30 minutes. She decided to try this new plan. She promised herself that she would study English for exactly 30 minutes every day. She felt excited about this new plan. She believed she could do it. Maria decided to break the 30 minutes into 3 small parts. She did not want to do 30 minutes all at once. She planned to do 10 minutes in the morning. Then, she planned to do 10 minutes in the afternoon. Finally, she planned to do 10 minutes in the evening. This seemed very easy for her. 10 minutes is a very short time. It is shorter than a coffee break. It is shorter than a bus ride. Maria wrote her plan in a notebook. She put the notebook on her table. Seeing the plan helped her remember it. She was ready to start her journey to learn English with this simple method. The next morning, Maria started her new routine. She woke up 10 minutes earlier than usual. The house was quiet. She went to the kitchen and drank a glass of water. Then she sat down with her phone. For the first 10 minutes, she learned 5 new words. She did not try to learn 20 words. She only chose 5 words. She read the words. She looked at the meaning of the words. She repeated the words out loud. She wrote the words in her notebook. This was her morning session. It was very quick. She felt good because she finished her first task of the day before breakfast. At lunchtime, Maria had her second session. She had a break at work for 1 hour. She ate her lunch quickly. Then she put on her headphones. For the next 10 minutes, she listened to an English podcast. She listened to simple stories. She listened to people talking about their day. Sometimes she did not understand every word. That was okay. She just listened to the sounds of English. She tried to catch the words she learned in the morning. This 10 minutes of listening helped her ears get used to the language. It was a nice break from her busy work. She enjoyed these stories very much. In the evening, Maria came home from work. She was tired, but she remembered her plan. She had one more session to do. After dinner, she sat on her comfortable sofa. She took her notebook again. For the last 10 minutes, she reviewed her day. She tried to write 3 simple sentences about her day using the new words. For example, she wrote, "I am happy today." Or she wrote, "The sun is hot." This writing practice was very important. It helped her use the words she learned. After 10 minutes, she closed her notebook. She was done for the day. She felt proud of herself. Maria did this every day for 1 week. The first week was a little difficult. Sometimes she wanted to sleep in the morning. Sometimes she wanted to talk to friends at lunch. But she remembered her goal. She wanted to learn English. She forced herself to follow the plan. After 7 days, she looked at her notebook. She had learned 35 new words. She had listened to 70 minutes of English. She had written 21 sentences. This was a great result for just 1 week. She saw that small steps add up to big results. She felt more motivated to continue. In the second week, Maria started to feel a difference. The 10 minutes in the morning became a habit. She did not have to think about it. It was like brushing her teeth. She learned words about food, travel, and family. She started to see these words in her listening practice. When she heard a word she knew, she smiled. It felt like a game. She was collecting words. Her confidence began to grow. She realized that English was not impossible. It was just a process. She told her friends about her method. They were surprised that she studied so little but learned so much. Maria also found that the 10 minutes of listening were very helpful for her pronunciation. She tried to copy the speakers in the podcast. When the speaker said, "Hello," Maria said, "Hello." She tried to make the same sound. She did this in a quiet place so nobody could hear her. This is called shadowing. It is a very good technique. Her mouth learned how to move to make English sounds. She felt her accent getting better. She was not afraid to speak to herself. Speaking alone is a great way to practice without fear. She enjoyed her little conversations with herself. After 1 month, Maria looked back at her progress. She knew 150 words. She could understand simple conversations. She could write about her feelings and her daily life. She was amazed. Before, she thought she had no time. Now she saw that 30 minutes was enough. She did not change her life completely. She just used her small breaks wisely. She realized that time is not the problem. The problem is how we use our time. Maria was very happy with her 30-minute method. She decided to keep going for another month. To make her learning more fun, Maria started to use an app on her phone during her lunch break. The app had games and quizzes. It was colorful and made funny sounds. This made the 10 minutes go very fast. Sometimes she played for 15 minutes because it was fun. She learned grammar without studying hard rules. She learned how to make sentences by playing games. This kept her interested. If learning is boring, you will stop. But if learning is fun, you will continue. Maria made sure her English time was always enjoyable. One day, Maria had a surprise at work. Her boss came to her desk. He had some papers in English. He asked if anyone could understand them. Maria was nervous, but she looked at the papers. She saw words she knew. She saw sentences she understood. She told her boss, "I can try to read this." She read the paper slowly. She understood the main idea. She explained it to her boss. Her boss was very impressed. He did not know she was learning English. He smiled and thanked her. Maria felt very proud. Her 30 minutes a day helped her at work. This success at work gave Maria more energy. She wanted to learn more. She started to watch short videos in English during her evening session. She watched videos about cooking because she liked to cook. She watched videos about travel. She used English subtitles to help her read. She listened and read at the same time. This is a very powerful way to learn. She learned new phrases that people use in real life. She learned how to say things naturally. Her evening session became her favorite time of the day. It was her time to relax and learn. 6 months passed. Maria continued her routine. She never missed a day. Even when she was sick, she did just 5 minutes. She never stopped completely. Now she could speak with better flow. She was not fluent yet, but she was A2 level. She could have a conversation. She could order food in a restaurant. She could ask for directions. She met a tourist in the city one day. The tourist was lost. Maria helped him in English. She gave him directions. The tourist understood her perfectly. This was a big moment for Maria. She used her English in the real world. Maria learned that the secret to learning English is not magic. It is not about being smart. It is about patience. It is about doing a little bit every day. Many people start learning and stop after 1 week. They try to do too much. They get tired. Maria did not get tired because she only did 30 minutes. It was easy to keep going. She told everyone, "Do not run a marathon. Just take small steps." Her story inspires many people today. She showed that anyone can learn if they have a good plan. Now, Maria speaks English very well. She got a better job because she speaks English. She travels to other countries. She made new friends from different places. Her life changed because of those 30 minutes. She still studies every day. She reads books in English now. She watches movies without subtitles. But she never forgets how she started. She started with 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at lunch, and 10 minutes at night. It was a simple start that led to a big change. I hope you liked the story of Maria. You can be like Maria too. You do not need a lot of time. You only need 30 minutes. Can you find 10 minutes in your morning? Can you find 10 minutes at lunch? Can you find 10 minutes before you sleep? I think you can. Start today. Learn 5 words. Listen to a podcast. Write a sentence. If you do this every day, you will learn English. You will improve. Thank you for listening to English Listening Lab. Remember to subscribe for more stories. I am Johan. See you next time.